Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident in Khorfakkan, the United Arab Emirates. Large hailstones and heavy rain affected driving conditions in Fujara, Khorfakkan and Kalba.
انتبهوا على أعماركم. هذا في شرم الآن.
The National Center of Meteorology reported heavy rainfall over the east coast of the Emirates.
ما شاء الله.
Authorities in both Emirates have urged motorists to drive with care and leave a safe distance between themselves and the vehicle in front.
شوفوا الطمس على الحجم. والله عالمية.
March normally features changeable conditions as the winter season ends and warmer spring months arrive.
على الرقة حاليا.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.